up, Facebook, YouTube, everybody else in between? Got a little gun video for you today. I'm going to be doing a little work on my High Point C9 9mm. Now, this rear sight has never been completely reliable on my pistol. So, I'm going to go ahead and replace it with a rail sight that I got from ROH 1788 on eBay. I think that's their name, yeah. But it was going to be like 30 bucks, and they knocked it down to like $2. And I was looking at other options on there, and I got that notification. I was like, mine? But I'm still looking for a mini red dot to go on here. But anyway, I'll show you how to do this. Now, for y'all gun safety nuts, the safety is on. Alright, but I'm fixing to take the magazine out, turn the safety off, eject the round, and stow it in my magazine. Now this shouldn't take too long. Ain't but 2 screws that come out. One of them is a 2.5 hex or Allen head or hex key, whatever the hell you want to call it. Oh, but yeah, I think I'm gonna take it out first. Never done this before, okay? Whew. Dropped my cigarette. Come here. Oh. And of course the other screw is a flathead. But I have no idea what's going to come out. I'm shooting out of here, which is why I'm pointing it kind of toward the table. Damn, that's got some torque on it. Hope I don't strip it. Oh, there we go. I didn't think it'd be that tight. The way that sight likes to jump around, I thought it was loose. If anything. Oh, come on out of there. The screw's got just a touch of rust in it inside the head. All right. Stay. Now, we'll see if I can get this other screw out without fully putting my ratchet together, because I can't find my damn screwdriver. Yeah, there we go. Oh. Hey, I like this redneck rig. Oh. And that screw is under spring tension, like I said before, so I'm going to go ahead and hold it down, like hold the sights down like that. Oh. This is actually the elevation adjustment screw I'm taking out now. Oh. Oh. Come on out of there. Alright. That's what I was afraid was going to come shooting out. Flying in all directions. But since there's no adjustment on this block, I'm just going to stick it back without the spring, I think. I doubt the spring would even fit, matter of fact. Well, yeah, it fit. Oh. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and put it back just to make sure I don't lose it. Because it's got its own separate hole there. See, most of the time when you got a screw under spring tension, the screw is going through the spring. On any other project, like a car or something. Oh. Oh. Get in there. And even though this does have a hole in it where you can see through the rail, there's no left to right adjustment, no windage adjustment on it, so kind of what the hell, you know. Alright, got that started in. Oh. And I cross-threaded it. Wouldn't you know? Did I? Yeah. Oh. Oh, get in there. Oh, all right. Well, it's straight anyway. But put the other screw back in. Cross-threaded it too. Some bitch. Fine threads on this. It's easy to cross-thread. Ah. Oh. Come on. Getting into some new threads here. And make sure you kind of torque it down a little bit. Might be a good idea to put some Loctite on there. But I ain't got none on hand. So if it starts coming loose, I guess I'll take it back off and put some on, but Don't want to torque it down too much. Damn nose. Alright. Got that one. And go ahead and tighten this flathead down. Oh. Yeah. God dang it. Oh.
Junior, are you in there?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to go in a minute and take a shower.
Alright. And I just broke my screwdriver, but oh. And it's in there. And that's it. I will see y'all later. Y'all take it easy, have fun, and be safe.